Welcome back. Today I will be showing you my customized Crocs and I have a special hack at the end. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back. It's your girl Britt Alacious and I am back with another, you guessed it, shoe review. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe. This is your first, second, third, or fourth time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and be sure to like, share, and comment for more videos like this. Happy belated Shoes Day Tuesday. Yes, happy belated Shoes Day Tuesday. We still gonna celebrate Shoes Day Tuesday, even if it's not Tuesday, okay? As promised, I said for the month of July, I was gonna review sneakers, tennis shoes, comfortable shoes, and my designer Crocs. Well, guess what, guys? Today's the day I reviewed the designer Crocs, and I'm really excited. So yeah, make sure y'all tune in, guys, for it. Stay tuned, stick around, watch my whole video so that you can take a look at my shoes. So before we go into it, I have some jewels, Jibbitz charms that I bought from Etsy, and I'm going to show you all those today, plus the Crocs that I decided to buy. And yeah, that's it. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, guys, so let me show you my Crocs. Yes, I had to get them. When I seen Nicki Minaj and these and the designer Crocs, I said, oh, I never saw myself wearing these, but now that I've seen it like that, I can wear these. Super duper cute. And I said, you know what, I'm about to mix it up, put some of these charms on there from Etsy, and I'm gonna make it cute and make it look hot just like her. Typically I wouldn't have bought these. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a fan of Crocs like that. I still see Crocs as like what you wear, what the dentist wear, what the doctor's office people wear. I don't really wear Crocs, but it's the thing, it's what's in style. And I said, you know what, let me grab me a pair and just put the charms in and make it me. So that's what I'm gonna do for you all today. Not gonna review the shoe. Y'all know what Crocs are, y'all know how they look. Very comfortable. They have like their own patent material that's like no other. Very super duper cute and comfortable. Well, yeah, super comfortable. So I have a size 6. I felt like they were true to size for me, and I bought these from Foot Locker for $50. And yeah, so let me go ahead and get the charms that I bought from Etsy. I bought a couple from different stores, I guess different stores in Etsy, and they were really cute. So let me show them to you all. I purchased from 3 different stores, actually 4, guys. I messed around and threw away a pair, and I had to order a 3rd one. So that's why this video also, it has taken a minute to come out, because I had to wait to get the final pair of charms. So the first one, oh no, I ain't gonna tell y'all that story, but when I threw them things away, just know that I went after them. I really did, but that's another story for another day. Your girl was in the trash. Don't tell nobody. Okay, but anyways, let's go ahead and talk about the first pair that I purchased from StiffStylez. These, okay, so I got the Louis Vuitton symbol, and I bought a Sagittarius sign. So here's the Louis V one, and here's my sign. Where is it? Oh, no, I didn't. That's all I bought from this store, the Louis V one. And it came with like this charm, this Jibbitz, and I think it came in this. I'm not sure if it came in this because I've already taken these out and I just replaced and put stuff back in, and it might not be what it came packaged in. And this Pray for the World thingy. Thank you, girl. I'll put all of the links to the stores that I shopped at below. Every charm was like maybe $5 or $6. The next one was from BlingforBaddies. This didn't take that long to ship, maybe about like 5 days. That's how it came packaged. Thank you for your support of my small business. And I bought 2 of these Chanel charms. Cute, right? And I got the Sagittarius symbol sign. Thought that was super duper cute. And last but not least, I bought, this was the last shipment I got in to replace the ones that I threw away. Ugh, I was so hurt, y'all. But anyways, this girl came through because this stuff came like literally in 3 days. So shout out to her for the shoe lovers. With this one, you can buy them individually, but I bought 5 pair with 1 free for like $25. With taxes and everything, it was like around $30, so you can't beat that. With this one, I bought this Gucci charm, really cute. I bought one that has this as well that says Chanel. I won't show you those. You'll just see them on the shoe. And I bought 2 of these Gucci charms, and I bought another Chanel one in cursive. I think it's in cursive, and it's just plain. Here it is. So super duper cute, guys. Not expensive, but it can add up if you're buying a lot of them. So with that being said, let me go ahead and put these charms on. I'm gonna try to show you. It's hard, y'all, so I'm gonna try to show you guys really quick. Hopefully you can kind of see what I'm doing to get these in. It was hard for me, but yeah, let's go ahead and see these charms on the Crocs. All right, y'all, I'm trying to show y'all how I put these in. It's not easy, so let me see if I can kind of get close and show y'all. Okay, let's see. So you got to, you see this? This is how it comes. You gotta like angle it in the hole and then like turn. Bam! Okay, it came on first try, y'all. And that's because I kind of had some practice yesterday. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, so it came in, guys. Look at that. It's cute already. So you guys know I love gold. I have a gold anklet. I wear gold jewelry, gold watch, whatever. So I decided to get like the gold jewelry, and to make it pop a little bit, I got the Chanel logo with the pearls. So that was my decision, but also a lot of them had them in silver. So it's your preference, girls. Make it look cute, make it look hot. Like I said, you know, I'm new to the Crocs thing. I'm new, so I'll probably start off wearing these to the pool, to the mailbox, until I can get used to wearing these everywhere. I probably not, y'all. I'm not gonna wear them everywhere, y'all. It's gonna be a photo shoot like Nikki's, getting my hair done, probably going to the gas station, going to the pool, and to the mailbox. But if things change, you'll know, you'll see it. So yeah, so this is the first one I put in. All right, let me put this Gucci one in. Oh shoot, I'm about to fall. Oh goodness, y'all, this is a mess today. Y'all, this is literally like maybe my second, probably like third time filming this video, because my other videos were blurry and I could not give y'all that. I could not post that. Y'all deserve better. All 620 of y'all, shout out to y'all for watching and subscribing. Please share my videos, guys. Help me get to 1,000. We are on the way. Okay, so let me see where I want to put the next one. All right, let's do the Louis Vuitton one, and let's see. I'm gonna show you this one on camera, and you better go in. You better freaking go in, guys. If it don't go in, then I'm gonna just have to do it off camera. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this one off camera and the other one's off camera. But I will be back once I put all of them in, and I will show you the other shoe, and we'll be all good, guys. All right, guys, here we go. Now this is cute, y'all. Super duper cute. I love it. This is perfect. Let me show you guys the other one. I decided not to use the Sagittarius one and not this Gucci one because it was like silver, and I just want to keep the theme of my gold going on. I will be sure to put all of the Etsy stores that I purchased from down below in the description so you guys can take a look and see where I got these charms from. So here we go. Yes, right? So cute. I probably need to move these around so it won't look like it has a lot of space. But yeah. This is cute. This is so cute, and I can definitely see myself wearing Crocs like this. So let me show you these shoes on. Yeah, I'll probably take a step outside so you guys can see in better lighting how these look on my foot. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. All right, guys, so I have the Crocs on. Take a look at them. Super duper cute. So as I was filming this, I was like, you know what? I want to fill in a few more of these spaces, and a light bulb went off in my head. So I'm going to show you what I did to do that in the next clip. So make sure you stick around for the finished look. So hey guys, I just thought of an idea. Instead of buying jewels, or if you have jewels and you want to just fill in some more of the spaces, go to your local beauty supply and buy a pack of earrings. They have a lot of varieties, I'm sure. I guess it depends on your beauty supply, but I found these. They were $1 each, and then I went to Walmart to pick up these backs so that it can fit in the holes and not slide out. And what I'll probably do, of course, is cut off the back of these earrings so that it won't stick me in my feet. So yeah, I'm gonna try to put those in really quick and see if it looks good, and if it does, I will show you. All right, y'all, so I added the 2 earrings right here to fill in some of the spaces, and I added one right there. Now this is perfect. OMG, I am in love. These are so cute. And I hope this helped you all with making your designer Crocs. Be sure to subscribe, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.